You're going to pray. Brothers and sisters, and all people beloved, this is a great day in Raleigh.
That's right.
Because we are here.
Yeah.
It is a great day in Raleigh because we have come with deep determination to hear the truth of the situation in this nation and to arm ourselves to carry that determination into the voting booth and shift the direction of this country.
That's right.
Yes, these are difficult days. Our nation is teetering on the brink of pulling itself apart.
Yeah.
These are dangerous times as some in our nation are fanning the flames of hatred and falsehood and confusion and division. All of this is done in the service and the interest of exploiting the poor.
That's right.
Of jailing young men and women, consigning many people to live in dilapidated housing without adequate food and too often without adequate care.
That's right.
This does not have to be. And as we grow toward a close on this marvelous day, it is a result of systemic policies and the abuse of people who are rendered less than people.
That's right.
So I'm glad we are organizing and standing together. I'm glad because education workers are standing up. I'm glad because workers at the airport are standing up. And I'm glad because a lot of young people who serve us food in these restaurants are not being paid adequately and treated properly. I'm glad that they are standing up.
Yeah.
And I want to say when we stand up and when we stand together, that things change.
That's right.
And so I want to say in the words of my ancestors, slave ancestors, so I want to say in that spirit, walk together, children, and don't you get weary. Walk together, children, and don't you get weary. I said, walk together, children, and don't you get weary. Because there's light on the other side of darkness. I want you to know today that there's hope on the other side of what seems hopeless. And there's victory on the other side of all of this oppression and exploitation. Walk together, walk together, walk together. Victory will ultimately be ours.